This right here is Blue Vivo Xi, which also means 11. The first thing I noticed about this phone is the box that it comes in. For a phone that costs $200, or you can even get it for less than that, the box that it comes in is really nice. It's like a premium box, I would say, similar to the ones you'd get in a flagship phone. First thing you'll see when you open up the box is the phone itself. Then there's the charging brick, a micro USB charging cable, not Type-C cable, and also earphones. Oh yeah, it also comes with a sticker that's unique. You'll get not just one, but two phone cases, one that has the same print as the phone box. So you'll get pretty much everything you need to protect your phone and use your phone right from the start. Alright, let's take the phone out of the sleeve, and man does it look good. This phone is made out of plastic. It has a 5.9-inch display. The plastic, however, does not, really look cheap or makes the phone feel really cheap. The phone still feels like a solid product. The 5.9-inch IPS display has a resolution of 720 by 1520 pixels, which is a 720p display, and it has an aspect ratio of 19:9 with a pixel density of 285 ppi. And I gotta say, it does look pretty crispy for the price you'll get this phone at. Before I go further into this video, I'd like to say that on eBay, you can buy this phone for, not this phone, but the upgraded version of this phone, the Xi Plus. You can get it for around $157 or for $200 at Best Buy. So if you're thinking about getting this phone, I'd recommend you get that phone instead, and it's still pretty cheap. I don't know if you've noticed, but this phone reminds me so much of my iPhone XS Max. The front screen, the notch, even the camera on the back resembles pretty much to an iPhone. On the back, it's got a dual camera setup. One is a 16 megapixel, the other one is a 5 megapixel, and you can take 1080p videos at 30 frames per second. And it's got a 16 megapixel front facing camera, which can also take 720p videos at 30 frames per second, which is kind of strange, but it has LED flash in the front and the back, so I guess that's cool. Performance wise, this has a MediaTek Helio P22 chipset, an octa-core CPU clocked in at 2 GHz, and PowerVR GE8320 for GPU. I never heard of that. And it's also got 3 GB of RAM. That's a lot of RAM. And 32 GB of internal storage. If that's not enough, you can also expand it using micro SD card. And so overall, this phone has given me a pretty good impression that for $200 or less, you can get a decent phone that's going to get the job done and more, because this phone is a good bang for the buck. So that pretty much wraps up this video. If you have any questions, do let me know, and I will just end the video here. Thank you for watching. Hope I'll see you next time. Peace.